Atma Namaste and hello beautiful souls and all my beloved earth angels. I welcome all of you to join this video because there is a very important update that I would like to share with you is regarding the event that is happening on 26th of May. So it is very important event because on 26th of May we have a celestial event that is a super full moon and a total lunar eclipse, the only total lunar eclipse of this year. Okay, so why it is important? So when it is lunar eclipse is also known as bringing lots of changes and challenging and unstable energies. Sometimes it may bring out any blockages, sometimes it may bring out any fears or anxieties which we are going through from our past lives or from our current lives. So it is very important to be prepared for it, and without any fear, without any anxiety, we should face these events. Okay, so how we can do that? So as we always say, meditate. So there are different ways to meditate. There are different tools that we do in the healings, or there are different methods that we can use during this day, right? So sometimes eclipses sounds a bad thing, but it is not, because it is more into the manifestation. And when it is joining with the full moon is already the energy of manifestation. So more we do or more we prepare ourselves for this particular event, we will more be attuned to divine energies of the full moon, goddess moon, which we can say. Okay, so with the awareness, the greater eclipse cycle, that event indicates that we can powerfully transform lives. Now we know that Mother Earth is changing her dimensions, and at the same time we also know that if we want to sustain in this particular situation, we have to change our vibrations too. Because if the vibrations of the Mother Earth is at higher frequency and you are vibrating at a lower frequency, there are chances that we could not balance the energies, and then we face certain problems. This full moon event would be taken into two parts. One in the morning session, that would be more into the purification, where we will be doing more of releasing things. So that would be a contract clearing, that is a forgiveness and the purification with the help of full moon energies. Second, in the night we would be more doing into the manifestation or bringing the insights. As you all know that Chandra or the moon is known as increasing intuitions. So we would be having a beautiful unicorn meditation on this day with the energies of full moon. Okay, so 24th, 25th and 26th, these 3 days are very important. Also along with that, you also know that Vesak meditation was conducted in earlier month, but this month meditation is also very important based upon the calendar month. Okay, so yes, so prepare yourself for this. Also you may choose to enroll yourself for upcoming healing sessions or upcoming events that are happening with Galaxy Healings, because this is a time that we take time for ourselves, introspect ourselves, work on ourselves, and also help the Mother Earth to go through this transformation process. Okay, so yes, bring more and more people to the group meditation. When we join together, we bring more and more consciousness, and that helps in manifestation, that helps in purification. Okay, so yes, thank you so much. Join us for meditations regularly. Thank you. Atma Namaste.